Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Students, today we will learn about general knowledge and our topic is animals families. In this video, we are going to learn different types of animals, their food habits, their home and their baby's name. Hey kids, do you want to know where animals live and what their names called and what their home called? Okay, now we will learn in detail. Here we can see various types of animals and their home. Here we can see tiger and their home, horse and their home, dog and their home, and so other animals. So we will have nice house, same way the animals do have their home. So let's see which animals live where. First, cow. The adult female is called a cow. The adult male is called a bull. They like to eat plants and grass. Here we can find the picture of cow and his home shade, and the cow gives us milk. Okay, now next they live in shade. Here we can find the cows and their home. Okay, very good. Everyone can understand. Now we will learn next slide. What is this picture? Yes, this is a picture about horse. Horses are not wild animals. Horses are four-legged animals that have had a long relationship with us humans. Horses are live in stable. Yes, here we can see the horse and their home stable. Okay, everyone can understand? Very good. Now next. What is this picture about? Yes, this is a picture about bear. Bear live in cave. Here we can see the picture of cave and of deer. For the most part, bears have their young in dens. Dens are homemade from hollowed out trees, caves and piles of furs. Bears can also create a den by digging a hole into the hillside or under the roots, because bears are mammals and they give birth to live young. Okay, everyone can understand about bears? Very good. Now next, what is this picture about? Yes, everyone know this. This is a picture of dog and cannon. Yes, dog live in cannon. Dogs are the oldest non-domesticated animals. There are more than 200 types of purebred dogs. Dog sense are far superior to human senses. Dogs are man's best friend. Everyone know about dogs. Very good. Okay, now we will going to next slide. What is this? Yes, this is the lion and den. Yes, lions are large carnivorous mammals. What is this carnivorous? Carnivorous means animals who eats only a meat of other animals, that called carnivorous. Okay, now understand? Yes, good. That belong to the family of felines. They have a tawny coat with a long tough tail. Male lions have a large mane of darker colored fur surrounding its head and neck. Okay, now everyone can understand about lion. Now next, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of rabbit. Yes, this is the picture of rabbit. Rabbits are very social creatures that live in a group. A female is called a doe and male is called buck. Rabbits are mammals, which means they are warm-blooded. Okay, now everyone can understand about rabbits, and also rabbits live in burrow. Rabbits live in burrow. Now we will going to next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a pig. Pig and pigstry. Pigs are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and other animals. Many people think that pigs are dirty and smell. In fact, they roll around in the mud to keep bugs and ticks away from their skin. Okay, now everyone can understand about pig and pigstry. Okay, now we will going to next slide. Yes, this is a picture of sheep. Sheep live in pen. Sheep can be found in the wild, but most are farm animals that are raised for their wool, meat, or milk. They can be different colors and their wool can have different textures. A sheep live in a pen. Okay, now everyone can understand about sheep. Very good, children. Now we will going to next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of fox and their dance. A fox is a medium-sized animal and weight anywhere between 7 and 5 pounds. A fox is a mammal. Fox live in dens in the ground or old trees. They hunt and eat live prey, mostly rabbits and mice. They may also eat grasshopper, birds' eggs, and even fruit and berries. Okay, now everyone can understand about fox and their home. Okay, very good, children. Now we will going to next slides. All living things need food to live. Plants make their own food in their leaves. Animals cannot make their own foods. They depend on plants and other animals. Now we will going to learn animals and their food. We need food to grow. Food gives also energy to play. Like us, animals also need food. Here we can see a various type of food. Why do animals need food? They need food for energy, they need food for grow, and they need food to make healthy. Animals need food for their growth and energy. They cannot prepare food themselves. They depend on plants or other animals for their food. Let us put the animals into group according to their feeding habits. Here we can find various types of animals like elephant, fox, horse, cat, dog, rabbit, sheep, tiger, lion. Here we can find various types of habitual animal. So now we will going to learn in detail. Animals are grouped into three categories based on their food habits. First, herbivorous animal, second, carnivorous animal, and third, omnivorous animals. Here we can see the picture of herbivorous animals. They eat only grass and plants. Second, carnivorous animals. They eat only other animals. And third, omnivorous animals. They eat both grass, plant, and also other animals. So now we will going to learn in detail. Feeding habits of animals. Different animals have different feeding habits. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat only plants and they called plant eaters, herbivorous. You might have seen cows, goats, buffaloes, deer, sheep, horse eat grass. Here we can find the picture of cow and goats. They are an example of herbivorous animal. Here also we can see horse, sheep and deer. It is an example of a herbivorous animals. They also eat grass and plants. Now next, animals that eat only plants, fruit and vegetables are called plant eating animals and also called herbivorous animal. Now next, some animals eat flesh of other animals. They called animals eater, carnivorous. Here we can find the carnivorous animals. They eat only a flesh of other animal. Animals like a lion, hyena, snake, tiger hunt other animals and eat them. Some animals like fox, vulture eat remains of dead animals. Such animals which only eat other animals are called carnivorous animals. Here we can find the example of carnivorous animals. We can see tiger, lion, hyena, leopard and also other animals. Here we can see a tiger and hyena. It is an example of carnivorous animal. Fox and lion is also example of carnivorous animals. They eat only a flesh of other animals. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivorous animals. Or now next, some animals eat both animals and plants. Such animals are called omnivorous animals. Here we can find the both type food, herbivorous and carnivorous. Both type food we can see. Animals like a bear, crow, rat, jackal eat both animals and plants. Here we can find the example of rat. Rat is a example of omnivorous animals. They eat both. They eat both plants and also flesh of other animals. Here we can find the bear and jackals is also example of omnivorous animals. Both are eat both type of food, herbivorous and carnivorous. Okay, animals that eat flesh and plants both called flesh and plant eating animals. Now next, animals and their young ones. Here we can see various type of animals and their young ones. Now we will learn in details. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of cow and calf. A baby calf is called a calf. A calf is a young domestic cattle. A cow must have a calf in order to produce milk. Cows are feed milk until they are 8-9 weeks old. Here we can see a cow and their baby called calf. Okay, everyone can understand. Very good. Now we will going to next slide. What is this? Yes, this is pig and baby piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby pig or piglet weight about 1.5 kilograms at birth and will double its weight in just 7 days. Newborn piglets learn to respond to their mother's voice, and mother pigs communicate with their babies through grunts while nursing. Okay, now everyone can understand about pig and piglet. Very good. Okay, now everyone can understand about pig and piglet. Now we will going to learn next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a sheep and lamb. A young sheep are called lamb. For the first several weeks of life, lambs depend on their mothers as their primary food source. Here we can find sheep and their babies, lamb. Okay, now everyone can understand about sheep and lamb. Very good. Okay, now we will going to next slide. What is this? Everyone know about these creatures? Yes, this is cat and baby kitten. A baby cat is called kitten. After being born, kittens display primary altruistic and are totally depends on their mother for survival. They do not normally open their eyes until after 7 to 10 days. Okay, now everyone understand about cat and kitten. A baby cat is called kitten. We know cat and kitten. Okay, good. Now going to next slide. What is this picture? This is a deer and fawn. A baby deer called fawn. Fawn bone is very strong. Fawns are born with a light spotted fur, which helps them to camouflage in the tall grass. Okay, this is a picture of deer and baby fawn. Okay, now going to next slide. This is a lion and its baby cub. A baby lion called cubs. Cubs have a light spots on their fur. When they are born, cubs stay with their mothers for about 2 years before they join into hunting trips of the pride. Yes, a lion baby called cub. Here we can see the picture of lion and cub. Okay, now next slide. What is this? This is a kangaroo and joy. Baby kangaroos are called joys. Mother kangaroos have a special pouch on the front of their bodies for carrying their joys. Here we can find the pouch of kangaroo and it is in front of their bodies. Joy climbed up its mother's fur to reach her pouch. Here we can find the baby kangaroo and kangaroo. Joy, we can find joy and kangaroo. Okay, now going to next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a goat and kid. A baby goat called kid. A healthy kid can stand within a minute after birth and are able to move with the heart almost immediately. We can see the goat and kid. It is a baby kid. We can find here. Okay, now everyone can understand about baby kids and goat. Okay, so all you enjoy? Very good. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. Students, I will see you next time. Also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe.
Animals and the young ones. Cat, kitten. Cat's young one is kitten. Dog, puppy. Dog's young one is puppy. Hen, chick. Hen's young one is chick. Donkey, foal. Donkey's young one is foal. Duck, duckling. Duck's young one is ducklings. Horse, colt. Horse young one is colt. Rabbit, kit. Rabbit's young one is kit. Pig, piglet. Pig's young one is a piglet. Sheep, lamb. Sheep's young one is lamb. Goat, kid. Goat's young one is kid. Buffalo, calf. Buffalo's young one is calf. Cow, calf. Cow's young one is calf.
Please do subscribe for more edutainment videos. Thank you.
Animals and the young ones. Lion, cub. Lion's young one is cub. Tiger, cub. Tiger's young one is cub. Elephant, calf. Elephant's young one is calf. Giraffe, calf. Giraffe's young one is calf. Kangaroo, joey. Kangaroo's young one is joey. Deer, fawn. Liu Xiangwan is fawn. Owl, owlet. Owl Xiangwan is owlet. Frog, tadpole. Frog Xiangwan is tadpole. Monkey, infant. Monkey Xiangwan is infant. Butterfly, caterpillar. Butterfly Xiangwan is caterpillar.
Please do subscribe for more edutainment videos. Thank you.
Animals and their homes. Rabbit, burrow. Rabbit make burrows for themselves. Lion, den. Lion lives in a den. Mouse, hole. Mouse dig holes for themselves. Hen, coop. Hens take shelter in a coop. Cow, shed. Cow lives in a shed. Honeybee, hive. Swarm of honeybees make hive. Snake, hole. Snake lives in a hole. Birds, nest. Bird makes nest. Horse, stable. Horse lives in a stable. Spider, cobweb. Spider creates cobweb. Dog, kennel. Dog lives in a kennel.
Please do subscribe for more edutainment videos. Thank you.
Animal sounds. Let us learn about animal sounds.
But why does animal make sounds? And what does it mean?
Animals make noises to communicate with each other, just like we humans talk with each other.
Okay, I understand now.
Bear. Listen how the bear makes noise.
Ooh, it was so scary.
Yes, Bear roars. Elephant. Do you want to listen how the elephant makes sound?
Yes. Oh my God, it's so loud.
Elephant trumpet. Cat. Can you guess the cat sound?
Okay, I will try. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
It was very pretty. Cat meows. Lion. See how the king of jungle makes noise.
It's really very frightening.
Yes, it is. Lion roars. Dog. It's everyone's favorite pet animal. Will you try its sound?
Yes, I will show how it barks. Bow, 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 bow.
Oh, excellent, dear.
Dog barks. Giraffe.
It has longest neck among all the animals.
Yes. Aha! It was amazing. Giraffe breathes.
Giraffe bleats. Horse. Do you like horse riding?
Yes, I do.
So tell me the sound of a horse.
Okay. Neigh, neigh.
Good one, dear. Horse neighs. Donkey. Can you tell me the donkey's sound?
Yes, from now on, I will tell the animal sound.
Okay, sure.
Bray, bray.
Oh, excellent, dear. Donkey brays. Duck.
Ducks make this noise like quack, 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 quack.
Yes, you were right. Duck quack. Crow. What is the crow's sound?
It's cow, cow.
Keep it up. Crow cows. How do chickens make sounds?
They make cluck cluck.
Well done, dear. Chicken clucks.